Roamy from Southeast Slings. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Boba X Carrier to carry a toddler or preschooler, so using the extensions. I've got the carrier here. I've already put them on one side, so I'm going to show you how to do it on the other. So what you're going to do first is extend the width of the carrier to its widest setting. So bring the Velcro right across, so this is taut across here. You've then got this little extension piece there here. Now you want to zip it in. So if you're looking at the inside of the carrier, so the bit with the label, you're going to have the zip piece facing you and the Velcro is on the back, because that's going to go into the carrier. So find the zip at the side, like this, and you're going to just slide the zip piece on there, so it joins up, and then slide that along to zip that piece in. So if you can see, that's zipping across like that. You're then going to take this little Velcro flap, and inside the waistband, if you open this piece up here, there's a little bit of Velcro to stick it onto. So I'm just going to put that down to there. So what that's done is it's now widened the seat by quite a large amount. So instead of it being the width to here, it's now got, instead of it being to there, it's now got this extra piece here. Now, my largest demo doll isn't quite big enough for this, but I'm going to still demonstrate how they will fit. So the doll will be a little bit small, but you can still see how the width goes. So what I'm going to do is going to clip this around my middle, like this. And just like with any other age of baby, choose whether you want it on your hips or on your waist. Obviously, baby's going to be a bit bigger at this stage, so you may want to wear it slightly lower than you would do for a newborn, just so that their head isn't too far in front of you. So if you're wearing them on your back, it's entirely up to you where you have them. Ideally, you want their head looking over your shoulder. Right, so I've got that clipped on with these done up. I'm going to take my baby and hold them on my front. I'm going to wrap their legs around like this. I'm going to slide my hand under the base of the carrier and bring it up over their bottom and back. One strap goes over one shoulder and the other strap goes over the other shoulder. I'm going to reach round behind and do up the clip behind my neck. Check these are sitting level on your shoulders. If you need to, you can tighten this clip up by doing that. Check whether the baby wants to have their arms either out the side or over the top. It's entirely up to them where they want their arms to go. Okay, now with the width of the carrier, you want to make sure it's fitting from one knee pit to the other without overextending the legs. Now, as I said earlier, this doll is a little bit small for the carrier on this size, but with an older child, what you'd want is to make sure the leg is able to swing freely from the knee. So this fabric is going all the way from one side to the other. You also want to check baby's held as tightly as a cuddle in arms. So rest your hands on the back of their head and gently lean forwards. If their body pulls away from you, just reach around and tighten these up by pulling them straight forwards. You want to make sure they're held nice and snug, firstly to prevent them from falling out, but also to make sure that it doesn't pull on your shoulders, because with a heavier child, it's going to really pull on your shoulders if they're a little bit loose. So key things are, this fits from one knee pit to the other, with legs able to swing freely, baby is held nice and snug. You also want to make sure that the fabric comes no higher than the nape of their neck and no lower than their armpits. So you can adjust the height of it using this piece here. If you want to make it taller, just loosen some of the webbing through. If you want to make it tighter, pull it straight down. That's basically how to use the Boba X with the extenders. So take your child out, reach behind your neck and undo the clip, like that. Bring one strap over one shoulder and the other strap over the other, and then you can take your child out.